on a weekend. I'm here to welcome you and present very shortly our presenters. I just want to say one thing. Suddenly, there's a big interest in Germany. पहले जब मैंने 30 साल पहले काम यहाँ शुरू किया था, it was all about people who wanted to learn German because they loved German, because they wanted to read Goethe in German. I don't know, but एक hobby था. उसके बाद फिर we started, the German government introduced a law by which everybody who was migrating to Germany and their spouses had to pass a German test, language proficiency test, and only then did they get their visa. So we had a lot of women who then learned and did our A1 basic course. तो वो हमारी क्लासेस भरी हुई होती थी और वो काफ़ी साल चलता रहा है. Now that law has been changed, so those women have decided not to come, although I feel if you live in a country, you must speak the language. नहीं तो आपके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आप किस तरह हर एक के साथ तो नहीं अंग्रेज़ी बोलेंगे, ना ही लोग सारा वक्त आपके साथ अंग्रेज़ी बोलेंगे. But anyway, now suddenly we are filled with people who, नहीं उसके बाद students आए. Germany introduced the international degree programs. पहले उनकी अपनी degrees होती थी, फिर उन्होंने 90s में ही they started with masters and bachelor degrees and in English. So we had a lot of students wanting to go for their undergrad studies. उसके लिए ज़्यादा German चाहिए होता है क्योंकि वो ज़्यादातर German में ही होती हैं. But masters, PhD, MPhils were also offered in English and good quality degrees. So वो हमारे आना शुरू हो गए. And now, since what, a year? No, 6 months. We don't even know कि हम लोग जो demand है उसको कैसे पूरी करें, because obviously German teachers इतने यहाँ नहीं होते. तो we have people wanting to go to Germany for skilled labor work, skilled workers, skilled academics, and also job seekers. They need to do a B1 mostly. So our classes are full again. तो आज पहली दफ़ा we have also incorporated these fields के थोड़े से जो लोग पता करना चाह रहे हैं कि skilled labours आप कैसे Germany पहुंच सकते हैं और Germany क्यों उन्होंने दरवाज़ा खोला है. Because Germany, like many other, well, let's say countries of the global north, have opened their doors for people from countries like ours in the global south, क्योंकि हम लोगों की बहुत एक young population है और उनकी एक बहुत old population है जो retire होती जा रही है. So since their birth rate is very low, तो उनके पास labor force ही नहीं है. तो countries like Pakistan, like India, like Mexico, like China have a very good chance because बहुत ज़्यादा लोग हैं. Everybody, अब कहना नहीं चाहिए, but हालात यहाँ भी इतने अच्छे नहीं हैं जितने होने चाहिए. So people are looking for ways to get out of here and start a life elsewhere so that they sort of climb up and improve their standard of living. तो अब वो उन्होंने दरवाजे खोल लिए हैं कि आप लोग आएँ. If you're skilled workers, if you're skilled, or if you're as students, एक प्रोग्राम भी, और आप में से यहाँ पैरागॉन से बहुत बच्चे हैं. Paragon, LGS Paragon, Lahore Grammar School, Paragon City is one of our partner schools since many years, because we also run a program for the German government called PASH, Partner School Initiative. उसमें ये होता है कि बच्चों को छोटी उम्र से ही German सिखाई जाती है स्कूलों में, and we support that. We train the teachers, we take the kids for youth camps. There's somebody sitting over here who's just this summer went and I think had a very good time in Germany in a youth camp. तो अगर आप बच्चों को छोटी उम्र से ही जर्मनी के साथ और जर्मन लैंग्वेज के साथ थोड़ा सा उनको समझाएं कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है, उनको show them Germany, so they are likely to go to Germany for their higher studies. I was just talking to this young gentleman and वो यही कह रहे थे कि मैं जर्मनी पढ़ना चाह रहा हूँ क्योंकि he went there. It's a lovely country, it's a very safe and welcoming country. So he now is preparing for his A-levels and then inshallah he will go there and study. और एक दफ़ा आपने वहाँ पढ़ लिया है, chances are कि आप वहीं रह जाओगे क्योंकि आपको जॉब की भी opportunity देते हैं वो लोग. और अगर नहीं भी, अगर आप वापस आ भी जाओगे, जो हम दुआ मांगते हैं कि हमारे लोग पढ़ के वापस आएँ और हमारे मुल्क की बेहतरी और तरक्की के लिए काम करें, तो फिर भी एक वो जो सॉफ्ट स्पॉट होता है आपके दिल में वो रहता है, that I studied there, I have friends there, I have links there. So if you're running a company, if you work for the government, you're likely to favor Germany as a partner in your in your business, in your economic endeavors, and that is obviously also good for Germany. So having said all this and totally taking up too much time, we are starting with lighter presentations because there are also things that and it's part of our lessons कि हम खाली आपको ज़बान नहीं सिखाते, but आपको आप थोड़ा सा एक embarrassment होती है जब आप किसी और मुल्क में जाते हैं और आपको पता ही नहीं होता है कि यहाँ do's and don'ts क्या होते हैं. कुछ मुल्कों में बदतमीज़ी समझी जाती है कि अगर आप hand ना shake करें, English Urdu, yes. If you don't shake somebody's hand, it's considered to be very rude. In Germany also. But हमारे मुल्क में तो औरतें आदमियों के हम लोग नहीं करते हैं, कर भी सकते हैं but नहीं करते. तो अगर आप वहाँ जाएंगे और नहीं करेंगे तो वो कहेंगे कितने बदतमीज़ लोग हैं, because they don't know that we don't do it in our country. So this is part of our lessons कि थोड़ा सा आपको comfortable feel करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि वहाँ वो क्या अच्छा समझते हैं, आप क्या और आप बेनिफिट क्या सीख सकते हैं, ये चीज़ें सारी उस पे हमारी 2-3 presentations है. If I could have the next slide where our presenters are. So we have Tayyaba will talk about the importance of language. Tayyaba is a German instructor over here. Khushbakht is one of our star students over here. She's also studied in Germany at the very renowned and old Heidelberg University. And she's going to be talking about life in Germany in general because she's lived there, so she can tell you a little bit because first-hand experience hai. Saira Niazi, who has lived half her life in Germany, उन्होंने अपनी schooling वहाँ की है, उनकी mother tongue जो है वो German ही है. She is the head of our language department. She will be talking about do's and don'ts in Germany. और उसके बाद जो अगले जो है presenters, they will be talking about the things that I talked about: higher studies, Ausbildung, job opportunities, and Studienkolleg, which is also something that you will soon get to know. So, as the first presenter, I would like to welcome Tayyaba Anwar on stage, and she will be presenting about the importance of language.
Guten Morgen, guten Tag, hallo, assalamu alaikum.